Did you know that traditional Acholi dances are more than just entertainment? They are a vibrant expression of culture, identity, and history. In this video, we'll dive into rich world of Acholi traditional dances, their meanings, styles, and why they remain such an important part of our heritage today. The Acholi people, found in northern Uganda, have a deep and beautiful cultural heritage. At the heart of this heritage are their traditional dances, an art form that brings communities together and tells stories about love, war, celebration, and spirituality. There are several traditional dances in Acholi culture, each with its own unique purpose and style. Here are some of the most iconic ones. La Raha. This is perhaps the most well-known dance performed during courtship and weddings. It's lively with drum beats and energetic movements that symbolize the excitement of love and union. Bola. Known for the royal dances, Bola is performed during significant cultural gatherings and ceremonies. It features coordinated movements and is often accompanied by songs praising leaders or recounting historical events. Otole. This is a war dance, traditionally performed to boost the morale of the warriors. The movements are strong and dramatic, reflecting the bravery and readiness for battle. Dindi. This playful and vibrant dance is performed by young girls, showcasing their energy and joy. It's often seen at festivals and celebrations. Music plays a central role in Acholi dances. Traditional instruments like the adung, apiri, and various drums create the rhythmic foundation for the dances. The beats and melodies guide the dancers, creating a mesmerizing connection between movement and sound. So, let's celebrate and preserve this incredible heritage. Whether you are from the Acholi community or just love the culture, I challenge you to explore these dances, support cultural events, and share this video to spread awareness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on African traditions and culture. Together, let's keep our heritage alive. Thank you for watching, and remember, our traditions are our roots. Let's keep dancing to the rhythm of our culture.